Remove the recycle bin from desktop. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paella here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to remove the recycle bin from your desktop. If you've been trying to hide it without success, I'll guide you through it step by step. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more like this on the channel. Subscribe, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright, let's get started. The process is pretty simple. On your desktop, right-click and select the last option, Personalize. In Personalize, look at the side menu and choose the Themes option. Click on Themes. Here you'll see options to change wallpaper, color, sounds, and mouse cursor. You can adjust these settings. What we're looking for is right here, folks. Desktop icon settings. Click here on this option. Then you'll see the option to hide the recycle bin from your desktop. Simply uncheck this option. If you want other icons like computer, user files, network, or control panel, just enable them. Next, folks, click Apply at the bottom, then OK. And there you go. You've removed the recycle bin from your desktop. Did it work? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.